Welcome to Chris Linford Get Going Guides. This episode we'll be looking at making a new page in WordPress. So the first thing, you want to get into your WordPress admin account and then probably enter via the dashboard from here. You find all the tools on the left hand side. You might find them collapsed like that, so there'll be smaller icons with pop-outs, but I will keep them bigger for this exercise because it becomes easier for you to see. So the first thing, if we want to add a new page, we want to go to Add New Page, and then the first thing you want to do is to give it a title. So the title we'll give it is My New Page, and then we can click below and we can add content to this. So I'll put New Page Content. Now what we can do is, this is a standard word processor kind of setup, so I can highlight the text, I can make it bold, I can make it italic, and all the other things I'd expect from a word processor, range left, centered, right, so I can make a nice page layout from it. If I click on this tool, it gives me some more options, so I can highlight the text and I can choose HTML setup, so if I want it in heading 1 or I want it in heading 2, I can change it from there. But I'll keep this in paragraph format here, and I can change the colour of the text. If I wanted to highlight it, I can just click on the colour that I want it, and so on. So all the basic things you would expect from a word processor. I can, if I click on the HTML tag, I can then look at the HTML I've used to create it, and I can import by copying and pasting HTML pages into this page layout if you're good on HTML and you've got some standard tags here that you can use to add to it if it helps. But not to worry, if you don't know HTML, you can see my Get Going guides on HTML if you need some advice on that at chrislinford.co.uk to help you through that section. Now the other thing you might need to do is to add a picture to your page, and to do that you click Upload Insert, which is basically like putting an attachment on your email, and so we just go there. I can drag and drop from the desktop onto this section, or I can click on Select Files, and I'm going to just upload this little button here, and if I scroll down this window it will come up to this window here where I can give the title to the actual image. I then need to type in the alt text. Alt text is very important because it conforms to disability guidelines on the web, and search engines look for it and it makes your site more valid. So I'm just going to call it film. I can have a caption for it, and I can put some information for it if I like. And so on. If you want the button to be linked, so you want not just an image, but you want it to go to, click on it and it will go to another site, you can put in the URL of where you want it to go to there. So I will just have it send to my basic website. If you don't want a URL, you don't want it to be clicked, you just want it to look nice on the picture, remove all the information on that page. And then of course you can have different alignments for it, and you can change the sizes of it as well. And I just click to insert it into the post, and there it is, it's appeared there. Now once you're happy with your page, you've done all the layout, exactly what you want to do, you just click Publish, which will save your file like so, and then we can go back and view what we've got on the site, and you will find that on your site it will now appear in the title bar. We'll deal with how to manage these to make menu systems in another tutorial, but if you click on your page you can then scroll down and there you can see you've got a new page. On your thing people can come in and they can write comments for it, so write a comment, post that, and then you've got comments viewable through there. So anyone can come onto your site and make comments. You can turn these features off if you like, but they come on by default. Now as an admin, we're looking at your site from what the public see, But as an admin, you also have the option to edit live. So you can do this on your phone or on your pad while you're out and about, and you will see this edit tag appear where you can change it, and you just click edit and you will go back into the editing screen and you can change it, any content from there, live on the net while you're working on it. So if you're a reporter, you can just add more information. Another way to do it, if we click on all pages in the page tab, you can see all the pages that we've got here at the moment, and you can see as I roll over, these features appear. So if I don't want this page anymore, I can just trash it. I can have a preview of it. If I want to edit it, I can just go edit, and again it will go back to this editing page, so color of that, and I just update the file over here and the page will be done. And now if I go back to view the site again, I go there and the text will have changed automatically to what I wanted it to do. So create a new page is very simple. The important thing to remember is to make it look good, make the information accessible, and put pictures on it to complement it, and you can add and change it anytime you like on any computer that's connected to the internet where you can view this site. So that's it for making new pages. We'll look at menu management later on. Find me at www.chrislinford.co.uk, or you can find me on iTunes or on YouTube, and I'll see you for another episode.